Hello children. Children, in the previous video I have explained you the poem My Shadow. So in this video we will be doing the exercises of that poem. So take out page number 82 of your English reader books. Let's start with question number A, fill in the blanks. The first one is, I have a little dash that goes in and out with me. So the answer is shadow. S-H-A-D-O-W, shadow. The second is, he is very, very like me from the heels up to the dash. Head. The answer is H-E-A-D, head. The third one is, and I see him dash before me when I jump into my bed. So the answer is J-U-M-P, jump. Now let's move on to question number B. Like shadow, many words begin with SH. Read the clues and complete the SH words. Children, like here, the clues are given. And on the right side, SH is written over there and rest the blanks are given. But in the exams, it is not necessary that SH will be given to you. Might be the clues are given and you have to write the complete answer. So you learn the complete answer. Number 1 is, we wear them on our feet. What do you wear on your feet? Shoes. SH is already written. So write O-E-S. The word becomes shoes. Write O-E-S in capital letters. The second is, this animal gives us wool. Which animal gives us wool? Sheep. See, the picture of sheep is also given there. S-H is already written. Write double-E-P, sheep. Then number 3 is, we collect these from a beach. What do you collect from a beach? Shells. SH is already written again. E-double-L-S, shells. Then this is a very big boat. That is called a ship. I-P. Write I-P in the blank. So the word becomes S-H-I-P, ship. The last one is, we buy toys from here. From where do you buy toys? From the shop. So write O-P in the blank. So the word becomes S-H-O-P, shop. Now let's move on to gramophone exercise. This is a part of English 1. I have written over here English 1. You also write English 1 in your books. So let's read the question. Look at the animals on the farm. Write yes, there is, or no, there is not. To answer these questions. Children, here one picture is given to you and few questions are written here on the left side. So, according to the question, if you see that thing in this picture, you will write yes, there is. And if you don't see that thing in the picture, you will write no, there is not. So let's start with the first question. Is there a cow on the farm? The first answer is already written in your book. Yes, there is. See, this cow is there in the farm. So the answer is yes, there is. The second question is there an elephant on the farm? Children, can you see any elephant here in this picture? No, there is no elephant in this picture. So we will write the answer no, comma, there is not. Full stop. No, comma, there is not. Full stop. The third question is there a duck on the farm? Children, can you see any duck in this farm? Yes, you can see in this pond, few ducks are swimming in the pond. So we will write the answer yes, comma, there is. Yes, comma, there is. Full stop. Then question number 4 is there a rabbit on the farm? Can you see any rabbit here in this farm? Yes, you can see here these 2 rabbits are there. So you will write the answer yes, comma, there is. Full stop. Yes, comma, there is. Full stop. The last question is there an eagle on the farm? Children, can you see any eagle in this farm? No, there is no eagle in this farm. So we will write the answer no, comma, there is not. No, comma, there is not. Full stop. Now let's move on to the next page, page number 83. Now here on this page, children, picture composition is given. You can write, you can see here on the right side, it is written picture composition. So what we have to do is, let's see. Look at the picture, tick the sentences that are true. Write them in your notebook. You will not write anything in your notebook, children. You will just put a tick or cross according to the sentence. We will read the sentence, and according to the picture, we have to put a tick or cross. It is a sunny day. Children, can you see it is a sunny day or a rainy day? It is a rainy day. So, we will put a cross here. It is not a sunny day. The children are having lunch. Are the children having lunch here in this picture? No. They are playing and they are enjoying. So, we will put a cross here again. The third one is, one girl has a paper boat. Yes, you can see this one girl is having a paper boat in her hand. So, this is correct. So, put a tick in this circle. Then the next is, they are all very sad. Children, can you see in this picture all the children are playing? Are they looking sad? No, they are happy because they are enjoying the rainy weather. So, put a cross over here. Next is, it is raining. Yes, it is correct. So, put a tick here in this circle. The next is, the children are playing in the rain. Yes, it is also correct. So, put a tick here in the circle. Next is, one girl is skipping a rope. Can you see any girl skipping a rope? No, no one is skipping a rope here in this picture. So, we will put a cross here in this circle. The last one is, they are all very happy. Yes, they are all happy. So, put a tick here in this sentence, in this circle. Now, let's move on to the next question. Fun time. Match the animals with their shadows. Now, children, you can see these 4 animals are given and their shadows are given over here. First, you write here 1, 2, 3, 4 and then we will match these animals with their shadows. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, this first animal, where is the shadow of this animal? Here. So, you can put number 1 here, write number 1 here. Number 2, where is this animal? Where is the shadow of this animal? Here. Write here number 2. Where is the shadow of this animal? Here. So you write here number 3. And the last one, where is the shadow of this animal? Here. Write here number 4. Here you have written 1, 2, 3, 4. And here the sequence will be 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. So children, this was all there regarding this poem. We have finished this poem today. Explanation as well as the book exercises. So next week, be prepared for the test which I have given you. So till then, goodbye.